Hey y'all. So we're gonna be doing hair today. I went to the beauty supply and grabbed some hair. Got my mirror. So I can see myself. And I got this hair right here. And I got Tootie. I love this brand hair. This is the hair that I always get. The color and the leaf. And hold on, I got another pack of hair I'm gonna go grab for y'all. I got these cute little. Okay, guys. And I had got these cute little yeah, big God, yeah. And I got these clip-on earrings that I'm gonna put in my hair. These are super cute. I got those, and this is the other pack of hair right here. This color, guys. If you follow me on social media, you'll be like, damn, she always got this color in her head. But I actually went to an event, and they gave out free hair, and they gave me a lot of this color right here. So that's why I've been trying to utilize this as much as I can, because why not? You know, I like to recycle hair. That's me. I don't know about you, but if it's still good, I'm gonna reuse it. That's what I'm gonna do. And so that's what I did. Got some of that leftover hair, best believe. That's what we on. So yeah, that's but I already pre-boxed my hair last night. Cause like I needed to save some time, and you know it's like time consuming. But that part is real self-explanatory. But I'm gonna just show y'all the products that I use. First, I would like. Ooh, y'all need to get into this. Pearl the stylist, is her name on here? Look, if y'all see her on social media, she be doing some hair. But let me tell you, this right here, I just started using this. I just started using this, and this worked. Let me show y'all how much I use. So much of this. It's gone. I'm gonna have to get a new one. It's just that good. So for the stylist, y'all need to go look for this in y'all beauty supply. This was only $6. So get into that. And I just started using this little stick too. That really works some wonders. It be holding it down. And okay, I use these rubber bands here, the color rubber bands. I use black rubber bands too, but when I do braids specifically, it has to be colored so I can see, you know. And to top it all off, I had put some oil sheen on there. Oil your hair down. Oil sheen your hair down. And I use this wrap lotion. This right here, I don't know, I just use it because why not? So I put some of this on there on my hair, and then I sealed the deal with some Gots to Be glue, and then I also put some of this on my scalp. But let me tell y'all another thing that I use. Like, if y'all don't use this, use this. Let me show you. But this is how much I use. That's how good this is. Like, it's Fly Away Tanning Edge Gel, ORS Olive Oil Girls. I use this on my daughter's hair too. This is actually, and it smells good. All this stuff smells good. This smells good. This is orange scented. This one, I don't even know what scent this is, but it smells good. So that's everything that I use. Oh, what a comb at? And I use a rat tail comb. Y'all know what that look like. So. Ooh. I'm just dropping stuff. But let's get into this video. Let's get into it. I haven't even took this off since I had did my hair last night. So y'all we finna see this together. We finna see how it looks together. So let me take this off. And not too much on my bandana because I couldn't find my LV scarf, so I had to use that. And my sister got it. Y'all, I can't even believe that I'm on, hold on. I can't even believe that I'm on this camera showing y'all my hair looking like this. But it's okay. It's okay, because I'm cute at the end of the day. I don't care. But my hair, y'all, I had chopped my hair off. Look how long it is. The length, okay? Because you can't. My hair been growing. Look at how long it is. It might seem short to y'all, but baby, this long, but my hair was short. I'm gonna show y'all how short my hair was. Like, I shaved my head all the way out, and I grew it right back. But anyways, this was what it looked like. The boxes that I got, that I pre-did, and this is how, when you put all that stuff in there, this is how the shine you gonna get. This is the shine you gonna get. I don't know if this is the shine. I just dropped it. Look at the head. The back of my head. But anyways, I didn't want edges. I just wanted my hair to be, like that. And don't do too much on my part. I did this myself. No help. Okay. So, and it came out cute. But anyways, I'm gonna stop talking, and y'all just gonna have to enjoy watching me do this, right? So let's get into it. I'm gonna start off with this color here. I'm gonna put this in the back, and then like have these in the front, like this color in the front. Make sure you split the hair and you do like this to get like a longer length. That's what I do. But this is all one, but I split it in half, and then I start, and then I add it so to be cute and not too bulky. I might try something different. I never really did this, but I'm gonna see how this goes. Put some of this on there because when it be, just so it can hold, cause y'all see how I just did that? Yeah, that's what you do. You add hair as you go, so it won't be like buff hair. I mean, but I finished these 4. That's all the color. I just turned that one little pack into 4 braids, so it just made me realize I might not have enough hair, and I probably have to go put some more. So 4, 8. Yeah, I might have to go get some more hair, y'all. That little 3-pack ain't gonna do it. But this is cute. I don't know, y'all. This might work because this pack is kind of thick. So I might not have to go get one. I don't know. Let me see. It's kind of thick. It was getting a little thick. So this is a good hole. This is 1 braid. I might put these 2, the ones that are a little thinner, like here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I got 5 out of this, so 5, 10. I might get 10 braids out of these 2 packs of hair. So we gonna see. I'm gonna start with this one. It's gonna be a little skinny. I don't know, like I kind of like my braids to be the same length, the same thickness, but I don't know. I really don't want to go get no more hair. Okay, so that one pack of hair made 6 braids. I have 9 braids left, and I have 1 pack of hair left plus this. So we're gonna see how much, you know, that covers. Well, it's gonna obviously cover 6 of my braids, but I'm gonna have 3 left. So we're gonna see how much this makes, which I think will probably work out too. So I will still have to go get another pack of hair just for 1 braid. But it's okay, guys, cause y'all gonna come with me, cause y'all gonna ride with me. I know y'all gonna ride with me. Yeah, of course. But anyways, stay tuned.
You are all I need. Once upon a time, the mustard tree was just a seed. Grow my faith, oh Lord, and show me what is heavenly. Jesus, you're the truth. It doesn't matter how I feel. Whoa, I don't wanna be far from you. You're the air I breathe. You're the air I breathe. Help me abide in you.
I know I can't sing. Okay, finally got it out. Oh, look at that bounce. That's cute. Yo, this is my first time doing this, so
your ego is out the door. It's no more tension in the room. You become
I guess you just grab a piece. Hold on, just like
everybody's fake, but I don't
grab
see
a
you
piece of
faking
hair.
it. They move too quickly.
Okay, so this is actually kind of cute. I have to take a little step back so I can look in the mirror real quick, the big mirror, so I can see like if it's giving. It's giving. But I'm gonna show y'all the whole body, the whole look at the end of the video. So keep watching.
Very nasty, but you're so
You get you a piece of hair, you pull it through your boom boom, and then I just leave it like that. I guess you could tie it for extra security, but I didn't do that. So. And I put 2, like I put 1 at the top, and I'm finna put 1 at the bottom, so you can get that cuteness, that fullness that I want.
Will you pray with me in the morning?
Okay guys, so I had put all the hair in. Don't mind my daughter, okay? But I had put all the hair in, and I'm about to start putting to spray some. Got to be on there. So, give it to the lashes. From you. You're the air I breathe, you're the air I breathe, help me abide in you. I don't wanna be far from you. You're the air I breathe, you're the air I breathe, help me abide in you. Love is true. Thank you guys for watching this far. If you made it, you a real one. Thank you. I appreciate you. Because this was a little journey. But it came out super cute. I love how my hair is. This is my first time doing these boho braids. But make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And I hope to see you again.